So we've had a great little journey up the motorway. Just heading to Ewood Park. Team is out on the screen. Let's hear the thoughts of charismatic Craig.
Hiya, Dave.
What are you thinking?
It's a bit cold.
Really cold.
I think 3-1 today, Dave.
3-1.
3-1, yeah.
Mr. Gaffer Chris.
Yeah, I like that actually. 3-1. I fancy us to score a few goals. Got 3 strikers on the pitch if you count Wang as a striker.
Absolutely. Look, first time that we've played Blackburn in the Cup since the final in 1960, which Wolves won 3-0. Your mate, we're thinking of him today. Say his name.
Kevin Hockin.
He was a big Blackburn fan. He passed away, didn't he?
Yeah.
He'd have loved this. So he would have loved us being here.
Wolves are his second team now.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm going to go with the 3-0. Come on. I've got to say, Blackburn have had a debatable goal disallowed and a penalty not given. The Wolves really haven't done nothing at all. And then in the blink of 2 minutes, we've scored 2 goals. First one from Joe Gomez, crawls under the keeper, and the second one, it's just a great finish and a move, and 2-0 up in the blink of an eye. We've done nothing. We've done absolutely nothing till then. A bit harsh on Blackburn, that. Literally just saying that we're 2-0 up, but that's pretty harsh on Blackburn, to be fair. But you know, we've had a lot of bad luck this year. So we had 2 good goals in quick succession, but Blackburn have created problems. That number 47, he's caused all sorts of problems, but it's 2-0 at half time. Just about getting the job done, and it's bloody cold. Start of the second half. Wang's off his injured, I think, again. Sarabi is on, and also Matt Doherty's on for Santiago Brenner, who's on a yellow. So I think that's got a lot to do with it, and Victor Pereira learning that lesson. Johnson. Well done, Sam Johnson.
Gonzalo Brenes is number 7, Andrew. Replacing number 27, Jean-Luc Avelladar, is number 5, Marshall Morency.
Adding number 5.
Play yourself! Play yourself!
Go on, Rodri. we go. Run it.
Come here, lad. Dad, he was 6'9", that was 12. He got fucking Dave next to you.